This video shows how to buy shares of Reading International Inc., ticker RDIB. Reading International operates movie theaters and related properties and trades on NASDAQ, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search box and type the ticker RDIB to find the company. Select the listing that matches Reading International Inc. to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the asset page to see basic company information and a price chart for context. Double-check the name, ticker, and exchange to confirm this is the right stock. Click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, you can place a pending order or schedule the trade, and if your funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, a link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform used in this example.